It's now 12:23, and since 10:30 this morning, the noise that you're about to hear, or what I'm going to try to have you hear, has been coming from upstairs, and it's an exercise machine that gets used about an hour a day, 7 days a week, either at 6 o'clock in the morning or at 7 o'clock at night. So I hope you hear it, because what's going on right now in my apartment is the apartment is being vibrated heavily by this noise, and I hope you can hear it. See, this is the ceiling right here. This is the crack that's been forming. Well, they use this